Hi, and welcome to Quick and Math on Indices. The prerequisite to this segment is that you already have a good understanding of quick math about its symbols and indices. With that, we shall move on to tutorial question 1, where you are to solve for the given equation. For such an equation, you'll be looking to identify the common base. In this case, the common base is 5, where the right-hand side of the equation can be rewritten as 5 to the power of minus 4. With this, we could equate the powers, which is x plus 2 being equal to minus 4, and solve for x. Tutorial question 2. Solve the following equation. Again, it's about identifying the common base. The trick here is to know that 1 can be any base to the power of 0, and therefore it could also equate into 7 to the power of 0 in this case. This allows us to equate x squared minus 25 as being equal to 0 and solve for x. Tutorial question 3. Solve the given equation. Here, you too would start by identifying its common base, which is 2. Then rearrange the equation in such a way that you could form an equation for its power component. You could then solve for x by the factorization method. Tutorial question 4. Solve the product of two indices being equal to 4. For this question, you once again re-represent each component as its common base, apply the rule of indices, equate the power component of the indices to solve for x. Tutorial question 5. Solve the following equation involving fractional indices. Even for an equation involving fractional indices, we will start by representing each component in its common base form, then apply the rule of indices to obtain the required equation to help us solve for x. Tutorial question 6 is about simultaneous equations with indices. In this case, you would apply what you've learned in tutorial questions 1 to 5 to each of the simultaneous equations to obtain the respective 4x minus y equals 2 and x minus 2y equals 0. In this simplified form, you will then apply your knowledge on solving simultaneous equations to get to the required x and y values. Tutorial question 7. Solve for 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 being equal to 0 and use the answer to solve for the given equation. The first part can be solved using the factorization method, leading to x being negative 0.5 and 4. In this second part, 2 to the power of y is equal to x. When we equate 2 to the power of y being equal to minus 0.5, there is no real solution. And when we apply 2 to the power of y being equal to 4, y is equal to 2. With that, we only have one solution for the equation, which is when y equals 2. That's all for indices. And if you enjoyed the video, do be on the lookout for other tutorials.